Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Discord audio is not working, don't worry about it. I will show you how to fix this error. So watch the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, go to the bottom and both of them microphone and defense should be on. Click on it to enable. And in my condition, this is blocked. So if you are using browser, then click on this icon and here reset the permission. After doing this and click on it, now again enable this, enable. So check the both is should be enabled. After doing this, check your problem. If it is persist, then click on the user setting and scroll down and go to the voice and video. Now input volume set according to your requirement and output volume also as your requirement and scroll down and check all the options set as your requirement. Noise suppression, click on it. Now scroll down and after doing this your problem is not work, then last solution is reset your voice setting. Click on it and then reset. After doing this your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe your YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.